boys and girls, let's take a look at our writing today. Today's letters that we're going to be working on are the letter L and the letter U. All right, we're going to start with the letter L. Remember, when we're writing, it's all about taking our time and doing our best work, slow and in control. All right, so when we make the letter L, we're just going to trace it here first. It's big line down, little line across. All right, it's a pretty simple letter. All right, so I'm going to start with my pencil. Okay, make sure you're holding it correctly. If you can't remember, just put it down and remember how we picked it up. You tweet like a little bird to the very bottom, and then you flip it over. Okay, then you're ready to write. All right, we're going to start with that letter L. Here, let me put it down here so you can see. Big line down, little line across. Okay, now I'm going to start at the dot again. We're going over here. Big line down, little line across. Did you see how all those lines that we use are straight? Okay, or keep going. Big line down, little line across. All right, good job. We'll just keep going. You're doing a good job. Start at the dot. Big line down, little line across. Do you see how slow and in control I am? I want to do my best work. Big line down, little line across. All right, I'm going to try again. Big line down, little line across. All right, did you also notice when I'm tracing, you can't even tell because I'm going nice and slow right on that road. Big line down, little line across. Now here is when I get to make it on my own, okay, without a dot. Big line down, little line across. And if I finished my L's and I felt like I did my best work and I'm proud of them, I'm going to check. That means I did my best work. Then I want you to circle the one that you're most proud of. I think I'm most proud of this one, so I'm going to circle this one. Great job. All right, the next one is our letter U. All right, so when we're tracing the letter U, we go big line down, big line, turn across, up. I was just about to do the L. So big line, turn. Let's say it again, sorry. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. Okay, so let's start. Okay, got your pencil? Are you holding it correctly? All right, here we go. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. Okay, now start at the dot. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. Now you notice they're not straight. It's going straight this way, but it turns right away. So don't forget to make that turn. All right, now I'm going to go here. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. Okay, and go right there. Make sure none of your letters are going past that line. Okay, if they are, erase it and fix it. That's okay. That's okay. You just want to make sure if it happens, you just erase it and fix it. All right, so I'm right here. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. Good job. Okay, here we go. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. All right, starting at that dot. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. All right, now tracing. Big line, turn, across the bottom, up. And my last one, this is one I have to do on my own. I don't even get a dot to start with, so I'm going to start at the top because we always start our letters at the top. Big line down, across the bottom, up. Okay, and if I think or I felt I did my best work and I'm proud, I'm going to go ahead and check it. And then I'm going to look at the one that I love the most, the one I'm most proud of. I think it's this one I'm the most proud of, so I'm going to circle it. Once you've circled your two that you're most proud of and you felt you did your best work, send me a picture. We would love to see your beautiful work. All right, boys and girls, do your best work, and I'm excited to see what you do and what it looks like when you're all done.